Naratif teks adalah suatu jenis teks yang berupa cerita hayalan, kisah nyata yang direkayasa, atau dongeng yang memiliki rangkaian peristiwa kronologis yang saling terhubung dan bertujuan untuk menghibur pembaca. Jenis naratif teks. Ada beberapa jenis naratif teks antara lain fairy tale atau dongeng, misteri atau cerita misteri, science fiction atau fiksi ilmiah, romance atau romansa, horor atau cerita horor, fable atau cerita binatang, myth and legend atau mitos dan legenda, history atau sejarah, slice of life atau penggalang kehidupan, personal experience atau pengalaman pribadi dan lain sebagainya. Struktur naratif teks. 1. Orientation. Berisi tentang siapa, kapan, di mana suatu cerita ditetapkan. 2. Complication. Menceritakan awal masalah yang menyebabkan puncak masalah atau yang biasa disebut dengan klimaks. 3. Resolution. Akhir dari cerita atau berupa solusi dari masalah yang terjadi. 4. Reorientation. Penutup cerita yang bersifat opsional yang berisi tentang pelajaran moral, saran atau pengajaran dari penulis. Unsur kebahasaan naratif teks. Menggunakan noun, berupa kata ganti orang, hewan, atau benda dalam cerita, misalnya stepmother, the dwarf, dan lain-lain. Menggunakan kata kerja bentuk lampau, misalnya when, at, met, dan lain-lain. Menggunakan kata penghubung waktu untuk mengurutkan kejadian. Menggunakan kata kerja yang menunjukkan peristiwa atau kegiatan. Menggunakan kata kerja yang menunjukkan pelaporan atau ujaran. Menggunakan adjektif. Contoh naratif teks.
Momotaro, the Peach Boy. A long time ago, there lived an old and poor couple in a village in Japan. They didn't wish for gold or fine clothes. They only wished for a child. One day, the old woman washed clothes in a river. While washing, she was also wishing for a child. Then, a giant peach came floating down the river. She took it home and would cut it. There was a human voice from that peach saying not to cut it. Suddenly it split open. A baby boy jumped out of that peach. Those old people were very happy and named him Momotaro, which means Peach Boy. Time went by and people in that village were afraid of Oni monsters who stole their belongings. When Momotaro was about 15 years old, he wanted to save his village from Oni monsters. Momotaro's parents were very proud of Momotaro. His father gave him a sword. Mother gave him a bag of dumplings. On the way, Momotaro met a dog, a monkey and a hawk. He shared those dumplings to them. Those animals joined him to fight Oni monsters. Being a good leader, Momotaro encouraged them to work together. Finally, Momotaro successfully forced Oni leader to surrender. Then Momotaro with his friends took treasure then shared it to all people in the village. Momotaro's parents were very happy that Momotaro came back safely.